This video will demonstrate a typical installation of ePrime with a single user license. To install ePrime using a single user license, you will need the following items that are included with a purchase of ePrime: one installation CD, one hasp key, and a letter or card with your serial number printed on it. Before installation, be sure you have administrative rights to install software on the computer. ePrime 2.0 requires that you uninstall any older versions of ePrime before beginning the installation process. However, ePrime 1.1 or 1.2 and ePrime 2.0 are able to exist on the same computer without problems. To begin installation, insert the ePrime installation CD into your CD-ROM drive. The following window will appear. From there, you have two installation options. You can either install the full ePrime suite or a subject station. The full ePrime suite includes eRun, eStudio, eData8, eMerge, Codec Config, eRecovery, Package File Editor, Sound Tester, Startup Info Editor, and the Factor Table Wizard. Installing a subject station only includes access to eRun. After making a selection, as you can see here, I'm choosing the ePrime 2.0 suite. Press the Install button. If you have a previous version of ePrime 2.0 installed on your computer, you will receive this message. It asks you if you would like to uninstall a previous version of ePrime. Press Yes. This is a necessary step in installing as well as updating ePrime 2.0. It will ask you again if you wish to uninstall this product. Click Yes. As you can see, ePrime has identified my old version of ePrime and is now working to uninstall it. You will then be directed to the ePrime install wizard. Click the Next button. On this screen is the ePrime End User License Agreement. Please read this carefully before continuing. If you wish to print a copy of this agreement for your own records, press the Print button here. If not, click the I accept radio button and click Next to continue. On this screen, you will be asked to enter your customer information. Type your name, institution, and serial number here. Your serial number was included with the purchase of ePrime. After clicking Next, you will be taken to the Setup Type screen. Here you can choose to either do a complete installation or a custom installation. A complete installation installs the full ePrime suite and all of the supporting files. Clicking the Custom Installation button allows you to choose which files and features to install on your computer. For this video, I will do a complete installation. Click Install to begin the ePrime installation. Once ePrime has been successfully installed, you will be notified with the following screen and asked if you would like to launch eStudio. Keep the settings as it is to open eStudio or uncheck the checkbox to not open eStudio. If you decide to open eStudio, you will then be asked about ePrime auto updates. If you wish to receive auto updates, click the top radio button. Otherwise, click the bottom radio button. Click OK to continue. You will then be asked to read over the End User License Agreement one more time. Please read this carefully and click I agree. ePrime will now download samples and tutorials into your My Experiments folder. If you are upgrading from a previous version of ePrime, it will ask you to overwrite the existing samples and tutorials. Click Yes. ePrime will also direct you to the Welcome website. Please read over the contents of this website. It has a lot of useful links and frequently asked questions. Once you are done reading this website, close out and begin creating your experiments. This concludes the ePrime installation tutorial.